I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
For me, please.
All right, go ahead, sir.
Okay, could you repeat that for me?
Sir, I am calling you from Microsoft Technical Department about your computer.
Okay.
And the reason you are getting this call because we are just trying to send you the Windows 10 security update. So could you be in front of your computer and turn on your computer?
Okay, give us just a second here. All
All
right,
right.
I just turned it on. It's gonna start up.
Okay, I'm holding this line for you.
Okay. Yeah, this pardon us because the computer's a little slow. It does take its time starting up. Okay, it's slow but surely. It
Now,
says starting.
is it on?
Yeah, it's on. It says starting Windows. Yeah, it says welcome. Um,
Mm-hmm.
okay, got a desktop.
All right. Okay, now just look on your keyboard, left-hand side, lower corner on your keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see a CTRL control key?
Yeah, I see a control key.
And next to the control key, you will find the four square Windows key.
Actually, my keyboard has an Alt button. There's a space. There's a little bit of space between the Control and the Alt keys, but there's a little empty space there.
Okay, and do you see the Windows key on your keyboard?
No, I just see a space between Control and yeah, I see a space between Control and Alt.
Alt. All right.
I think this is an old keyboard.
Beg your pardon, sir?
I think this is an old keyboard. It's a really old keyboard. It's about 25, 30 years old.
He hung up.
He hung up. Well, everybody, that's it for this video. But don't forget, there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Cube Computer channel. And also, don't forget to tick the bell so that way we get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back and thank you for your support.